in which yoga holds an important place, is itself divided into Dugpa Kagyu and Karma Kagyu. The head of the latter is His Holiness Gyalwa Karmapa. He lives in Sikkim, and he is also a Tulku recognized during his early childhood to be the indisputable successor to the first Karmapa. Even though he is only 40, he is perhaps the most famous of the Tibetan pontiffs after the Dalai Lama. Of all the sages, whether Hindu, Muslim Sufi or Buddhist, he is the most impressive sage with whom I have had the privilege to stay. My own experiences close to him, the radiance of his presence, and his silent influence explain the depth of recognition and veneration that are accorded to him. Behind the hieratic mask of self-possession and inner strength, all these Tibetan sages overflow with compassion that is characteristic of Mahayana Buddhists. Their religious life begins with the vow of the Bodhisattva, which is not to dissociate one's own salvation from the liberation of all beings chained to the illusion of birth and death.